we are just getting excited for this day that's supposed to shape up beautifully, right, Rob?
Yeah, I think we're in for a day just like we had yesterday, except maybe not as chilly this morning. Most temperatures are starting closer to 50. Got a little pocket of numbers in the mid 40s to the east and to the northeast. I see daytime highs, though, that want to flirt with 80 and overnight lows tonight that want to stay way up in the 50s. The system is still pretty much the same. There's a boundary off to the north that's trying to push south and is not going to be able to, not with a big bubble of high pressure to our south. And that'll be our big weather player, I think, all the way throughout the upcoming weekend. We'll certainly keep our eyes on that boundary system and see if it can push any further south and mess with our forecast a little bit, but I'm encouraged with the way things have been looking. It's 45 right now in Thomasville and in Valdosta. It's 52 in Tallahassee. Pretty pleasant, pretty seasonable for late February, early March. I see a 61 at Apalachicola and a 57 at Marianna, but also a 41 in Homerville and a 43 in Live Oak. So there's that little variety, especially with that small pocket of cooler air to the north and east. And in our easternmost areas where we're seeing some patchy fog this morning, visibility around Cross City just 1/4 mile. And if there's going to be an issue with this forecast for the next couple of days, I think it'll be some morning fog. That boundary sits way up here. We're talking Atlanta and Birmingham and Jackson, Mississippi. That's where it is for now. And while it tries to scooch a little bit more south, what's actually going to happen is I think that warmer air surges more north and pushes that boundary a little farther to the north and keeps all the energy up there. So while we could probably find a few extra clouds to the north and to the west, most of us, under the influence of that big bubble of high pressure, end up with mostly sunny skies, pretty clear at night, and very comfortable from start to finish. We'll see if anything changes over the next couple of days, but right now we're talking more of the bonus weather. On the Gulf today, winds light and variable. We're talking 5 to 12 knots, seas 2 feet or less. Got the low tides first up a little after 7. 40s and 50s, some patchy fog this morning, warming quickly. I think up over 70 at lunchtime and way up near 80 this afternoon. The sun will set a little after 6:30 tonight. When it does, it's going to cool off, but not like it did the past couple of nights. I think we're going to keep most temperatures in the mid 50s or low 50s tomorrow morning. The good stuff lingers throughout the weekend. Maybe by Monday, Tuesday, everything starts to change, and then we talk about some real chances for showers.